Hi everyone, in front of me I've got FREEYOND M6 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now we have to tap on date and time, which is on the third position. And as you can see, some options are inactive. So first of all, we have to turn off all of those switchers to turn off the automatic options. This one also. And now we can freely tap on date and simply choose it from the calendar. The same situation with the time, just tap on the time and choose the time from this clock, confirm it with OK. Here we can also change the time zone, just tap on this option, tap on the region, and here we've got the full list of available regions from which we can choose. So let me choose this one, for example, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied. Of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here we've got the time format, so we can either use local default or set it manually. Right now we've got the 24-hour format. You can set 12-hour one just by turning off this switcher. So basically this is the whole manual customization of date and time. You can always get back to all previous settings, I mean the automatic settings, just by using all those switchers here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.